Hello friends, today I will tell you how to preserve the symbology of shapefile within shapefile. If you have to share that shapefile to someone, the same symbology should be appear there also. Let's start. First of all, I have to load the layer. I am just going to load a layer road, and this is the shapefile. I am going to assign a symbology to it. I am just giving a red color and increase the thickness. This is how this looks like now. I change this, but its symbology not saved here. If I again load it, it will comes with another symbology, this one. So what we have to save this symbology, we have to just right click, properties, style, save as default. Okay, now the symbology of this road is saved with shapefile. As you see here is my road layer. Initially there are 4 layers. A new layer road.qml generated here as we have saved this. You can check this. Now if I again load this layer, it will comes with the symbology which we have assigned. Similarly, you can see for another layer, I am just adding a railways layer here. I am going to assign a symbology to it. It's here. Okay. This one. As you see here, only 4 layers are there for railways. To save this layer, go to layer properties, layers, save as default. Okay, as you can see, a railway.qml layer name dot extension of qml is added there. If you want to save this symbology some other place, then you have to properties, style, save style, browse, project, it's a real underscore line. You can save here, save. You can select symbology, labeling, field, or all of them. You can save. As I change only symbology, I have selected symbology. Okay. Now as you will see this, a railway line.qml is exist here. Now to load the symbology of layer, the qml file name should be same as of layer name. Suppose I remove these layers again. Okay, I have this layer road with red symbology. Now I am going to change the road qml name. So I am changing it to roads underscore line. Now if I load this layer, then it's not comes with symbology, it's lose its symbology. Now again I am changing this file name to the other, like other files, roads. Now I again load this, it comes with symbology. That's all for now. Thank you.